Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your hosting and your domain name with Bluehost. So it's quick and easy, you won't have any trouble, and use this video if you need a little direction. So here we are on the Bluehost homepage, and we have a big green Sign Up Now button, so we're just going to click that. And here we are on a page where we can choose whether we already have a domain name or if we need one. So if you've purchased one on another website, you can enter that here, and then you'll be able to connect it to this hosting later. Or if you don't have your domain name yet, you can enter it here. So I'm just going to do leatestsite.com. And if your domain name isn't available, after clicking next, Bluehost will tell you that it's not available. It'll give you some other options. Usually the options aren't so great. Maybe you like them, maybe not, but you'll just have to come back to this page and enter a new one and to check if that new one is available. So I'm going to click next. And this page is where we put all our account information, so name, address, phone number, email address. You want to keep this email address as your primary one. You will get notifications about renewals and stuff, so important information, so make sure it's not just a random email address that you don't check. And down here we have package information. So for the plans, you have a few options. These first three are what you're going to want to look at. You don't need the other ones when you're just starting out. That's for when you have a bigger site, a lot of traffic, and you might want to look into that. But for the beginning, these are shared hosting plans, which means it's one server that a lot of different sites are on. So I do recommend starting out with a shared hosting plan, and the different options are basically cheaper if you purchase more in advance. So $4.95 if you sign up for 3 years, or $6.95 if you sign up just for 12 months. So choose whichever one you feel comfortable with. And then down here we have, it's marked that your primary domain registration is free. So if this is a new domain name that you didn't purchase somewhere else, you're going to get that for free along with your hosting account. And then I recommend just unclicking these things. These are extras, site security and backups, and I have some other services that I recommend more than using the ones directly with your host. So you can unclick that, and then we have privacy, domain privacy. So if you don't check the domain privacy, the account information and your name will be linked to that website publicly. So if you want to keep that private, I usually do for all my sites, I am going to add the privacy. And then all we need to do is add our billing information, click confirm for the terms and conditions, and then click next. And that's really all there is to it. After the next page, you're going to be taken to a page where you choose a password for your account. So they're pretty strict about having a complicated password, lots of numbers, capital letters, etc. So choose a password. Obviously make sure to keep it handy somewhere else, and you'll be using it later to set up WordPress and get into your website. So super simple, super quick. There's no reason you shouldn't be hosting your own website, and it is an affordable option, and I love Bluehost, so I do highly recommend them. Thank you.